Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with Gustan Associates. When doing a VA loan, there are different investors that have different rules, and it's a lot of veterans get really frustrated not understanding why 99% of the banks out there want a 620 score when VA specifically says there's no score requirement. We can go down to 500. It's difficult to get an approved eligible at 500, but if you do, we can do it. So these are some common overlays that banks have on VA loans. The first one would be credit score. There is no credit score requirement for VA. Number two is debt to income ratio. There is no requirement for debt to income ratio. There's no cap like there is for FHA or conventional. The problem is there's no banks out there that want to go over a certain amount. Some banks stop at 50% DTI, some 55, some 60. We have investors that'll go to 65. And that's crucial because that is, not many people can do that. I get approved eligibles at 72, 75 debt to income ratios, but nobody will buy that loan. So in the country, the highest you're gonna find is 65. And that's why you come to us, because even like, the big ones can't do higher than like 60. So 65 is the highest I've seen in the nation, and we have it. And that's one reason that people have overlays. Number two is a manual underwrite. Some will stop at 41, 43, 45. We go to 54 on a manual underwrite VA. And that's another good thing that we have that most people don't have. Manual underwrites is another thing that is another overlay. Some banks don't even do a manual underwrite overlay. They'll just want to approve eligibles only, 620, 50% DTI. They're very strict. We don't have those restrictions here. So if you want to do a 500 credit score, manual underwrite, and you fit the manual underwrite guidelines, we can do it at 54% DTI. Now let me tell you what the manual underwrite guidelines is for VA, so you understand. Other banks have different rules, but we have no lates on anything in the last 12 months, and you have one mortgage payment in reserves after you close. That's all you need. No lates in the last 12 months and one mortgage payment in the bank after you close. That's not too hard to do. If you have the plan, it's only a year planning. Just don't be late over the next 12 months and you're ready to go in 1 year. So keep that in mind. That's another big overlay. Another overlay is a lot of investors like to count charge-offs against you on a VA, manual or approved eligible. We don't do that. Collections, some people won't even take collections because you have too many collections. We hit you for 5% of those collections and give you a fake payment for those collections. And those are the main overlays for VA. And that's about it. We don't have any. We will do the most we can. I guess the only overlay we have is we cap at 65 when we actually can get approved eligible higher. There's just no investor will do it. Please come to us. We got the best VA program in the business. Please like this video, share it, get back to us, leave some questions, and we'll get back to you and answer them. Thank you very much.